I guess I've always been a treasure hunter. When I pick up a piece of sea glass, I see it as a beautiful jewel that Mother Nature has created and gifted to me to find. I immediately start thinking about how I'm going to use it in my jewelry. My jewelry picks up where nature left off. I made my own designs, and my mom liked some, so my mom wanted some, and then my mom's friends wanted some. And I was like, well, this is kind of fun, and I really enjoy doing my own thing. I remember one day having a conversation with my husband, and we were just talking, and he's like, well, if you could have any job, what job would you have? And I said, well, I would make jewelry. I would love to just make jewelry. And he said, well, then do it. That was almost 7 years ago. And eventually it just took off so much that I was ready to leave my job and never look back. Without my family, none of this would be possible. They have supported me since day one, and I think it's exciting for them to see me succeed. I like the connection that I build with my customers between them, me, and my jewelry. They know that I put passion into that piece. I could probably look at all the rings that I've made you and tell you the story behind, like the inspiration behind the design. To give someone a piece of jewelry that you've created with items that are important to you, you're giving them a part of you. I'm like, wow, like I made this piece of jewelry and you think it's awesome. That is an amazing feeling. I love to surround myself with sentimental items. To tell someone that I used a hammer that was my father-in-law's is really special to me. To have special tools like that, it puts soul into your jewelry. It has a history, and that's important to me. Once I got my welder, it was so easy to do those little tasks that made my jewelry just a step above, and the welder gave me that jump start, and I found that the ease of use was awesome. It just streamlined my process of jewelry making perfectly. Just the simple task of closing an O-ring goes from a 5-minute process using solder to seconds with an Orion welder. It gives you freedom to do what you need to do. I can only hope that pieces that I make for people end up being sentimental items for them as well. This is the technology of the future. It's the future of the jewelry industry.